This is for Algebra 2. This is 5A-2. I'm going to do numbers 9 and 10. We're just practicing factoring when this leading coefficient here is something other than a 1, and there's nothing common to factor out. So this is what I do. I take the first times the last, which you can see that would give me a negative 30. And I come over here and I think of factors of negative 30 that will add up to a positive 1. Okay? So think about this. There's lots of factors for 30. I'm going to write down some of them. I guess this is all of them. And because it's negative, I know one of the signs have to be negative. Do any of these add up to 1? And I would say that one. Very good. So there's only going to be one magic piece that works. Once you find the magic pieces, take this, ignore the exponent just for a minute. You're going to write it twice. Okay, make it into a little fraction. Write your magic pieces under there. So one's a negative 5 and one's a 6. Sometimes your fractions won't reduce, sometimes they will. Look at this, 2 goes into 6 3 times. Once you do that, you've got it. In one parenthesis, you're going to have 2x minus 5. And in the other parenthesis, you're going to have an x, and that's a positive 3, so it would be plus 3. And there you go. That's factored. Okay, let's try another one. This one's tricky. This is part of your homework. But you're going to take 3 times negative 32. Use your calculator if you must, but that's negative 96. You're looking for factors of negative 96 that add up to this middle term. I want them to add up to 20. Now, there's all sorts of them. But you will find that 4 times 24 gives you negative 96. I need my signs to be different. I'm going to make this a negative 4. You can see if I multiply that together, I get negative 96. But if I add them, I'm going to get that positive 20, which is cool. Okay, so what do? Take this first term, write it twice. Make them into little fractions. Put your little magic pieces under there, like that. This guy doesn't reduce. This one does because 3 goes into 24 8 times. So in one parenthesis, I will have 3x minus 4. And in the other parenthesis, I'll have an x plus 8. Isn't that cool?
Fancy.